For downhole formation fluid production, submersible rod and electric submersible pumps are used. The liquid rises to the surface along the tubing. In case of a pump stop, in order to prevent the reverse rotation of the pump blades under the influence of a liquid column, a sealed check valve is installed behind the pump, which stops the flow of liquid and facilitates the subsequent startup of the installation. One of the major problems during the operation of the installation of an electric submersible pump for oil production is the presence of sludge in the pumped liquid. Solid suspended particles, mechanical impurities, and steel pipe metal corrosion products. The sludge settles on the ball and valve seat, which causes problems in its operation. It leads to wear of the sealing assembly and potential seal failure. Almost 75% of check valve failures are due to settled sludge in the ball seat valve pair. After stopping the ESP, if the valve is leaking, the wheels of the electric centrifugal pump rotate in the opposite direction and prevent the normal start of the electric motor due to overcurrent. To restore the ability of the installation to start, it is necessary to completely drain the formation fluid from the tubing string. This increases the time of unproductive downtime of the equipment. Nowadays, various valve designs are used to solve this problem. Check valve with sludge trap, ball valve, poppet valve, use of two valves. However, each of these solutions does not always provide the required efficiency, reliability, and compliance with the mode of use. Sludge also settles on the valve pair, violating its tightness, and replacing the valve material can reduce hydro-abrasive wear, but will not eliminate the loss of efficiency due to deposits in the valve pair. REAM-RTI specialists have found an innovative design solution to protect existing valves from sludge settling and maintain tightness. An axially movable protective element made of permeable matrix of pressed metal wire material, PM, which can be retrofitted in existing valve designs or made as an independent unit. The protective element is installed above the check valve grill. When the pump stops, the sludge settles on the PM protective element, which traps particles of any geometry, so that the sludge does not enter inside the valve and does not violate its tightness. In the process of pumping and starting the engine after stopping, the liquid containing impurities freely washes the protective element and washes out the deposited sludge from it, completely cleaning the protective element, which rises under the pressure of the medium, which becomes possible due to the unique property of PM, low hydraulic resistance, and as well as specific umbrella shape, which allows you to clear the so-called dead zone. And a special oleophobic coating of the element of our own design ensures the free passage of an oil-containing medium and prevents the deposition of heavy oil components, asphaltenes, resins, and paraffins on the surface of the element. The simplicity of the design allows you to upgrade the existing stock of equipment. PM material can be made with different filtration fineness from 5 to 500 micrometers. The use of a protective element of PM material increases the reliability of the valve and associated equipment. The operating time of wells in the complicated fund and the overhaul period of the ESP are increasing. Field tests of the upgraded valves were carried out at the fields of NK Rosneft and other leading oil companies. Currently, the operating time of most of the upgraded check valves exceeds 700 days. PM protective element from REAM-RTI is a reliable way to prevent deposition of solids for maintaining the tightness of a check valve of any design.